Hi, this is an application that I wrote. It is a Ruby on Rails application that is a packing list generator. So if you're like me and you want to quickly generate good packing lists that tend to be the same across time with little adds and subtracts, especially for the same types of trips, this is a very helpful application. And at the home page, you can either sign in if you've already signed up. You can choose to sign up with an email and a password, or you can sign in with your Facebook. I set up an account already, which I will sign into here. And as you can see, the first thing that you see is a list of your trips. And also the trips broken down by category. Categories are something that you yourself define. Here I can look at this trip, which was to visit my son, and these were things that I was going to take. And when you're making a trip, you can choose to select from like trips or all the items that you've ever taken on any trip. And so as you can see, the list changes, and that's handy because you don't want to pick from skis, snow skis, if you're going to the beach. So going back to the home page, I added a trip. You can easily add a trip. I'll add another one. I'm going to go to Grand Cayman. That'd be nice. Cayman. Actually, I'm going to put that on the next line. I'm going to call this Summer with Sam. That's my son. And we're going to go to Grand Cayman. Oh, look, I'd already done that. And we're going in 2018. And I need to remember, as always, to feed the cat before I go. And that's clearly a beach trip. And so I'll go ahead and create that trip. Now it assumes that I want to potentially take the same thing that I take on other beach trips. And for sure I want a book, so I'll add that in. I want a beach towel for sure, and a bathing suit, sunglasses, and I also need some suntan lotion, so I need to add that one in. And add that. And now I can choose to edit the details of the trip, because it turns out I'm not going with Sam, I'm going with Bob. I don't know who that is, but that's who I'm going with. And so I'll just go ahead and update that. And I can delete the trip if I choose. I'm not going to do it, but I could. Well, I did do it. And I had already put in summer in the Hamptons, but I hadn't added anything yet. So let's do that. We'll, because I didn't mean to undo the other one. And the bathing suit, and sunglasses, and again I want suntan lotion. Add that back into my list. And I can also display the list as just a plain list that makes it easy for printing when I'm packing. From this list, all of these items are linked and are clickable, that can be updated. You can change the name, you can change the quantity, and then at any time you can click to go back to the page, the home page basically of that trip. Now, if I go all the way back to the full home page, I can also now look at beach trips, and I can see I have 2 up here. I can look at school trip. That was family weekend, or visit friends. So, and from each one you can link to that type of trip. So I think it's a pretty easy to use application, and I think I am going to use it myself a lot, and I can see that I may want to add some more features going forward. Thank you.